What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite rigs now. This is a rig I built today specifically for this guitar, and that's kind of going to be how I build all my rigs now, is like one rig for a specific guitar, because really my sound is really neo-soul and classic southern rock, if that makes sense. So I am the type of player that my rigs, I like one rig to be used kind of like a traditional pedal board, instead of like one rig being one sound, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you my Strat rig. To give you a little bit of context to me as a player, if you haven't heard me play before, I am falling in love with like the neo-soul sound. So think a lot of like neo-soul, gospel, jazz in a sense, if you will. So we'll get into it. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to explain kind of the rig and then talk about the pedals that I used. So here we go. So really this is built around two of my favorite amps, the Princeton and the Vox AC30. So think about it, I'm getting like the best of American cleans blended with really good British chime for rock, if that makes sense. My first pedal in my signal chain is an EQ pedal, and I just have this dialed in to this guitar specifically. This is an American Ultralux, and it's been upgraded with Fishman Fluence pickups. Pretty much everything on this guitar has been upgraded. This is just a beast of a Strat. After that, I am going into a studio, and I'm really just doing subtle compression, so my attack and my release aren't anything too crazy, and my threshold is kind of middle of the road. Real quick on attack and release, I was talking about this on a live stream, so hopefully this helps a lot of you guys who watch these videos. Attack, I want you to think of your attack on any compressor as a gate going into like a fancy house, right? So if I am driving into driving through a gate, the attack is going to be how fast that compressor's gate is opening up. So with this, I wanted a slower opening because I didn't, I'm not doing anything where I need really, really fast and articulate compression. Same thing with my release. My release could probably be even slower than this, but release is how quick is that gate closing behind you. I don't want anything where it's like, shoo. So this is kind of middle of the road, subtle compression. Next, I'm running the Enchanter. I'm really just using this as a coloring pedal. You can hear I'm getting like a little bit of breakup from the Vox amp. Really cool amp, a really cool pedal. After this is one of my favorite pedals. This is the Vibratone, and it just sounds so cool. So I'll use it in conjunction with the Enchanter. Super cool, man. Space tones for days. Next on the pedal board, I'm running a chorus pedal. Chorus, because why not? It just sounds so cool. And then last but not least is my, this is really kind of like my lead tone, if this makes sense. Like if you're a solid lead player, then you probably know this. I'm just teasing. But it is a good lead tone, especially when you stack overdrives. You can do something like, Oh, and then at the end of my pedal chain, I do have a tremolo. But like we're gonna stack the Vibratone, the Enchanter, and the chorus. Ooh, saucy. Super cool, man. Super pretty. Alright, yeah, that's kind of this this rig in a nutshell. What I'll do now is I'm going to play a song that I'm learning just so you can hear how it sounds in a mix. Because I try to build all of my rigs with the mix in mind. I'm really big on music production. That's kind of like my thing that I love to do, and I'll talk about it at the end. So you're going to hear it. This song is a MF Doom song, so I didn't write this. But at the end, I like to do a little bit of improv, so you're going to hear that come out. Without further ado, here is Crosshairs. I don't know, just a little bit of something something. But yeah, that is this rig in a nutshell. It's really versatile. You can use it in a lot of different contexts. I know I designed it for neo soul and hip hop in mind, but it really works for anything that a Strat works in, which is everything. So you can really get a lot out of this. But hey, if you enjoyed today's video and you enjoy this content and you're getting into the world of music production but feeling a little bit kind of lost in the sauce, not really know what you should be doing or how to really get to where you want to be, I just really want to encourage you to, one, like, subscribe, YouTube, do all the YouTube stuff to help me out because I make content for that. But if you really want that individualized touch where you're not just lost in these YouTube tutorials, please reach out to me on Instagram at either Damion Andy or the Guitar Artistry Program. My goal is to really help and serve you guys by helping you find your sound. So I hope that this video at least enlightens you on some pedals that maybe you haven't reached for, and you kind of hear them like, wow, that's kind of cool. I'll kind of use that next time around. But with all things, I'm just grateful you guys are here. I'm really grateful for all the support, and I truly hope that you guys are getting a lot of value from these videos. And with that, I guess that's it. That's all I really got for you. Boston says hello, or goodbye, rather. Say goodbye, Boston. You want to come up here and say goodbye? Come on. Come on. You coming? All right, boys. Y'all say goodbye. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for my doggos, and I'll see you later. Peace.